Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas week number 3. I hope you all had an amazing start to this week. I'm gonna go into the city right now and buy some Christmas present things. I hope I'm gonna find everything because I'm pretty sure that the city is gonna close on Wednesday. So I don't have much time, and also I know it's not the smartest idea to be going into the city like 2 days before it closes because probably a lot of people are gonna be there, but I don't have any other choice. I kind of forgot that Christmas is in about a week. I'm back now and my hair is a mess because it was raining the whole time. But of course, now that I'm back home, the sun is shining, but whatever. I sadly can't show you what I bought because these are presents. So I don't want to risk that anyone who will get these will see this. But sadly, I didn't get everything, as always. So I do need to order some things online. But yeah, I'm gonna go and change into something more comfortable. You can't see my leg, but I'm wearing jeans. You still didn't see that. Anyways, I'm gonna change into my sweatpants, then I'm gonna start editing last week's vlog because this is going up today. I just wanted to start editing and I put all my files into my editing program, and overall my footage is 3 hours long and now I lost all motivation to edit. It's probably mostly me talking, which is the hardest and most annoying part to edit. It is now 8 p.m. I've decided that I'm gonna upload my vlog tomorrow because it is still 1 hour long and I've been editing for the past 4 hours with breaks, but still, and I'm just over it. I don't want to hear myself talk a minute longer, and because it's already kind of late, I don't think I'm gonna do anything too exciting. I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube, maybe watch a Christmas movie, and then just gonna go to bed. I mean, it's only 8. But YouTube and a Christmas movie can fill a long time, so yeah, that's the plan for the rest of this evening. Hello everyone, it is Wednesday today, and I'm honestly not sure if I filmed anything the other 2 days, other than the intro. I did film an intro, right? This is not the first thing you're seeing, is it? I don't think so. I think I filmed something. I've already been into town to buy some groceries. I also had to bring my car to like a car place, I don't know how it's called, to get my tires changed for winter. And later today I'm hopefully gonna clean out my closet because I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. I have... Wait, can you... it's a mess again in my room. Don't ask questions. That box right there is full of clothes that I need to sell. Did you finish your exam? Yes, finally. All done. I finished last week on Friday. I started this. So I just finished Skyping with Sarah and this is how far I got with my painting. I started this like in November or October. I'm not really sure. I made a vlog at that time, so this is in another vlog as well. But I just added pretty much everything you see right now except for the background. I just need to add a few more things at the top and just like little details, and then I'm finally done with it. I always think it's so much later, but it's only 5:30 p.m. So I might have time to do a closet clean out tonight. That will be good because then I can start taking pictures tomorrow. And hopefully people are gonna buy stuff because I want to get rid of them so bad. Now 3:30 p.m. and all I did was kind of sorting out my clothes for Vinted. I already posted some on there and I'm gonna continue doing that tomorrow and in the next days basically, because I don't want to upload everything at once because that's just too much anyways. I might go out with my dad and look for another Christmas tree, like a bigger one, but not sure about that yet. Okay, we're gonna go now and look if we're gonna find another Christmas tree, which is gonna be bigger. And I need to hurry because my dad is waiting for me, but I forgot my mask. Where is my mask? Where is my mask? Okay, got it. Let's go! So I spent the whole morning putting up more stuff on my Vinted and I also got 4 orders which I packed, and now I'm gonna go to the post office and I'm also gonna pick up my car. So my dad is luckily bringing me down to the car place so that I can get back my car and then I can drive to the post office and drop off the packages. I'm so happy that people are finally buying stuff. Oh no, they look closed. Shit.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again.
I'm gonna start decorating the big tree now, and hopefully I'm also gonna bake some cookies today.
Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. Whenever
I just took a shower, that's why my hair is wet. And I didn't have time to make cookies yesterday because we started watching a movie and then we started watching TV, like actual TV, which I haven't done in I don't know how many years. For all the Germans out there, we watched the 40 Jahre Jubiläum Ding von Verstehen Sie Spaß, which was honestly a lot of fun. And now my dad is making some Greek cookies. I'm not really sure what exactly he's making. I haven't asked him yet, and I think I'm gonna help him a bit, and then I'm also gonna make my own. And my mom went through her clothes and she gave me a bunch of things that she doesn't want anymore, like this jacket, which I absolutely love. I finally have now leather pants. I was so close on buying my own, and then she was like, I have some, you can have those. So that is good. And some more pants. I honestly have now so many pants from my mom. So the chocolate cookies are almost done, they just need chocolate on the outside, and I'm currently having my peanut butter dough, I don't really know how to explain it, in the oven, and these are pretty much the two recipes I'm gonna do today. Probably gonna do some more on Monday, which is tomorrow. I'm gonna finish the cookies tomorrow, like the chocolate covering and things like that, because I'm lazy and I don't want to do it right now. It is also 10 p.m. right now, and I think I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea and start editing this vlog so that'll be up tomorrow on time, not like last week. That's pretty much it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, it would mean a lot, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!